Cooking is an art that nourishes both the body and the soul. Let your passion for flavors guide your culinary journey. In the kitchen, every ingredient has a story to tell. Embrace the diversity and create harmonious masterpieces with your culinary brush. A great chef knows that the secret ingredient to any dish is love. Pour your heart into every creation and watch the flavors come alive. Cooking is not just about following recipes. It's about exploring new territories and pushing the boundaries of taste. Dare to be different. The kitchen is my sanctuary and the stove is my instrument. Let the symphony of sizzling pans and aromatic spices inspire your culinary symphony. Behind every exquisite dish lies countless hours of practice, persistence, and dedication. Keep honing your skills, and success will be your best recipe. A true chef doesn't just cook food. They create memories. Leave an indelible mark on every plate, and your cuisine will be etched in people's hearts forever. Cooking is an adventure, and every plate is a ticket to a new culinary destination. Embrace the unknown and let your taste buds explore uncharted territories. As a chef, you have the power to bring people together, to ignite conversations and forge connections through food. Cherish this gift and share it with the world. Remember, mistakes in the kitchen are just opportunities for innovation. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them fuel your culinary evolution.